Hi, Leo. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I am good, thank you. And you?
I am very good. It is a sunny day here.
Oh, that is nice. I like sunny days.
Me too. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Teacher.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy to see you today.
Yes, today we will learn something very useful.
Really? What is it, Emma?
Today we will learn how to talk about yourself in English.
Oh, that is good. I want to learn that.
Great! Let's start slowly. Leo, can you tell me why it is important to talk about yourself?
Maybe because people want to know me?
Exactly. When you meet new people, they want to know your name, where you are from, your hobbies, and your job.
Oh, I see.
So today, we will learn step by step, and you will practice with us.
Okay, I am ready.
Hello, everyone. Repeat after me. I am ready. I am ready.
Very good.
First, we start with our name.
Easy. How do I say my name?
You can say, my name is Leo.
My name is Leo.
Perfect! And if I want to say my name, I say, my name is Emma.
My name is Emma.
Great! Let's practice together. Repeat after me. My name is, say your name.
My name is... Oh, I can also ask someone's name, right?
Yes, you can say, what is your name?
What is your name?
Exactly.
Easy.
Step 2 is where you are from.
How do I say that?
You can say, I am from country or city.
I am from the Netherlands.
Perfect! And I can say, I am from England.
I see. Can we practice together?
Yes. Repeat after me. I am from. I am from.
Oh, this is fun.
Step 3 is your job or what you study.
How do I say that?
You can say, I am a teacher or I am a student.
I am a student.
Perfect. And I can say, I am an English teacher.
Oh, I understand. What if I am not working now?
Good question. You can say, I am not working now.
I am not working now.
Very good. Let's practice together. I am not working now. Step 4 is hobbies.
Hobbies? What is a hobby?
A hobby is something you like to do in your free time.
Oh, I like football.
Great! You can say, I like football.
I like football.
And I like reading books.
I see. Can I also say, I love music?
Yes, like and love are both good.
Okay. Repeat after me. I like, I love.
I like, I love. Step 5 is your family.
How can I say that?
You can say, I have a brother, I have a sister, or I have 2 sisters and 1 brother.
I have one brother.
Perfect. And I can say, I have 1 brother and 1 sister.
Oh, can I also say, I live with my family?
Yes, that is very good. Repeat after me. I live with my family.
I live with my family.
Step 6 is your favorite food or drink.
Easy. I like pizza.
Perfect. You can also say, my favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pizza.
And I can say, my favorite drink is tea.
Oh, I like tea too.
Now, Leo, after you talk about yourself, you can ask questions too.
Really? How?
You can ask, what is your name? Where are you from? What do you like?
Oh, I see. I can ask my friend, what is your favorite food?
Perfect. Asking questions is very important in English.
Repeat after me. What do you like?
Leo, let's make a short conversation.
Okay, I am ready.
I will start. Hello, my name is Emma. What is your name?
Hello, my name is Leo.
Nice to meet you, Leo. Where are you from?
I am from the Netherlands. And you?
I am from England. What do you like?
I like football.
Oh, I love reading books.
Really? That is nice.
Good. Let's practice this conversation again. Leo, do you like funny sentences?
Yes, I like funny sentences.
Okay, you can say, I like pizza more than homework.
Haha, that is true. I like pizza more than homework too.
See? English can be fun.
Yes, learning English is fun.
Okay, Leo, let's review all steps.
Yes,
Step 1, say your name. My name is blank.
my name is blank.
Step 2, say where you are from. I am from.
I am from.
Step 3, talk about job or study. I am a blank or I am a student.
I am a blank.
Step 4, hobbies. I like, I love.
I like. I love.
Step 5, family. I have or I live with my family.
I have. I live with my family.
Step 6, favorite food or drink. My favorite food or drink is.
My favorite food or drink is blank.
Step 7, ask simple questions. What do you like? Where are you from?
What do you like?
Very good, Leo.
Thank you, Emma. This was fun.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
Yes, please like and subscribe to Mr. English Teacher.
And please comment below.
Yes, tell us, what sentence about yourself can you say today?
We want to read your sentences.
See you next video, everyone.
Bye!
Bye.